Hey guys, it's Corey from Investor Life, and we help investors scale their portfolio by using other people's money. Today in this video, we're going to talk about a strategy that is extremely important for you to have in your toolbox. The pros and cons of assignments. So some people use the term assignments. Some people refer to it as wholesaling. The point is this is where you have the opportunity to make some quick money when it comes to real estate investment, and that is one of our first pros that we're going to talk about. So 2 pros and 2 cons. Pro number 1, you can make quick money. You can make quick money. How? Well, if you negotiate a really good real estate deal and you can't close on it, you can still have the opportunity to let another investor close on that really good real estate deal. And so you're giving them the contract that you've negotiated and you're selling it to them. And we've seen assignments, people make up to $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 by selling a well-negotiated contract. That is where you can make some quick money when it comes to real estate investment using assignments. But here's pro number 2. It works really, really well if you're using the strategy of raising capital as well. If you're raising capital to joint venture in real estate for somebody to invest with you and buy a piece of property in real estate, you can offer an assignment to them as an option. Or if they don't want to do all the work themselves, you could still buy this property with them in a joint venture. Here's the key. When you're offering both options, an assignment and a joint venture at the same time, that gives potential partners options. That gives them more than one option to choose from. And when you give more than one option, often they just choose one of them instead of saying no. So this is a really good strategy to add on if you're looking for raising capital. If you're looking to get into joint venturing, which we talk about all the time, getting into wholesaling or getting into doing assignments works really, really well with that. So those are 2 pros that we wanted to talk about when it comes to assignments. Now we're going to talk about 2 cons when it comes to assignments. Sometimes you have to have a little faith that the ultimate buyer, the person that you're selling that contract to, actually follows through with that purchase. Can you legally be bound to that purchase if they don't follow through and don't end up buying it? Well, that's a little bit of a gray area here in real estate. So you ultimately want to have confidence that the buyer that you sell that contract to is going to close on that property. You want to have that confidence. So one of the cons of getting into assigning or wholesaling is you need to have confidence in the people you're dealing with. And sometimes people, for one reason or another, can't close on it, and that could leave you liable. So just be careful on that. Con number 2 that we're going to talk about is that this strategy is not really for building long-term wealth. This strategy is for quick money, quick cash. That's really what it's about. You know, Tiffany and I, when we were doing this actively, we made over $70,000 using this strategy in 1 month. How? Well, we found so many good deals and we had so many investor friends that wanted them that we ended up selling them all of these good deals because we couldn't close on all of them ourselves. So it was a great way for us to make cash while we were investing in real estate. So remember, that was one of the pros, but the cons is that it doesn't build that long-term wealth. It's just quick cash in your pocket. So if you're looking for that, using assignments, doing wholesaling is absolutely a creative strategy that you should be looking at. If you enjoyed this video, join us in our Fearless Facebook group because we talk about creative strategies all the time. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel because we have so many more strategies coming, and we'll see you on the next video.